Hey guys, today we are going to solve the question which is asked in Sbi Clerk means 2022. So in the question they have given following question means here they have given two quantities, quantity 1 and quantity 2. So we have to define the relation between quantity 1 or quantity 2, whether it is greater than or equal to, less than equal to, or equal. So we need to measure it. So I will just directly solve this. Just we have to find the quantity 1 and quantity 2, and we need to compare. So in the question they have given x and yz are three positive integers. Means these are integers and these are positive integers. And they are given info x is greater than y and z equal to 2x. So value of x is greater than y. Okay, and next they have given sum of reciprocal of x and y. Sum of the reciprocal means if it is x, 1 by x is reciprocal of x, y 1 by y is reciprocal. So number, if we reverse it, it will be reciprocal. 3 is there, 1 by 3. So sum of the reciprocal of x by y. Sum of the reciprocal means sum of the reciprocal of x plus sum of the reciprocal of y. So it is 3 times means it is 3 difference between reciprocals of x and y. So difference between reciprocal of x and y. So sum is equal to 3 times difference between reciprocal of x and y. So 1 by x minus 1 by y, or 1 by y minus 1 by x. So either difference can be 1 by x 1 by y, or 1 by y minus 1 by x. So both way. So one more info they have given. So x is greater than y. So one rule is there: if x is greater than y, so value of x is greater than y. So if we reverse this, it will be equality changes. If it is x is greater than y, then 1 by x will be less than 1 by y. For example, I will take here 10 is greater than 5. So just for example, so 1 by 10 will be less than 1 by 5. So 1 by 10 is 0.1 and 1 by 5 is 0.2. So if 10 is greater than 5, reciprocal will be, it will be, sign will be reversed. If it is greater, here less, so x is greater than y. So in reciprocal, which term will be greater, 1 by y will be greater than 1 by x. So here we will take 1 by y minus 1 by x, since it is 3 times. So usually it will be positive, so we are assuming. So it is 1 by y minus 1 by x. So sum of the reciprocal of x and y, 1 by x plus 1 by y, is 3 times difference between reciprocal of x and y. 3 times difference between the reciprocal of x and y. So 1 by y minus 1 by x. Why we have taken 1 by y and 1 by x? Since x is greater than y, so which if we take reciprocal, the equality changes. If it is greater than, here it will be less than. So 1 by y is greater, so we have taken. So to get a positive, greater number will come first, after that lower number. So 1 by y is greater and 1 by x is lesser number. So to get positive, we have wrote 1 by y minus 1 by x. I hope you understood this. So next we will solve this. So we can write it as cross multiply. We can do y here, y into 1 is y, x into 1 is x, 3 as it is. So here x minus y. Okay, and here in denominator x into y as xy, and here also xy. So in the both the denominator x and xy is there, so we can cancel it. From here xy will cancel and here xy will cancel. So we can write y plus as x plus y. 3 into x is 3x, 3 into y is minus 3y. Okay, so here we will take x on one side and y on one side. So 3x here it is plus x, so here it will be minus x, and here it is y, so it is minus 3y, so here it will be plus 3y. So 4y equal to, it is plus, so, and here 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2x. So y by x is 2 by 4. So y by x is 1 by 2. So y by x is 1 by 2. So one more they have given z equal to 2x. Z equal to 2x. So z by x will be z by x will be z by x will be 2 by 1. So from the info we have found y by x equal to 1 by 2 and z by x equal to, so in the equation only they have given z equal to 2x, z equal to 2x. Okay, so z by x will be 2 by 1. So up to here we have note. So now by using these two we can find the value of x, y and z. So here to check it, one term must be equal. So here in y x and z x is common, but value of x is not same. So we will make it same in either. So here we will make here we will multiply by 2. So 1 into 2. So it is 4 by 2. So why we have make x as common? X as multiplied by 2. Since y by x is 2 by 4, it is 1 by 4. And here z by x is 2 by 1. Since here three terms are there, y x, x, y, z. So either one should be equal. Then we can find the value of x, y, z by using ratio formula. So here x is to y will be 1 is to 2, and here x is to z, or z is x is to z will be 2 by 4. Okay, x is 2, z is 4, x is 2, z is 4 here, and here okay it is y by x. So here it will be 2 1. So value of x is 2 and value of y is 1. So we have got two ratios, x y equal 2 is to 1. So value of x is 2 and y is 1. So x is to y is 2 1, and x is to z is 2 4, x is to z is 4. So I'll just write here x is to y equal to 2 is to 1, x is to y is 2 is to 1, and x is to z is 2 4, x is to z is 4. So x is to z is 2 4. So here x is same, so we can write value of x is, so I can write this. So we can write it as x as 2, y as 1, and z as 4. So by using this only we can directly write, or for simpler way I will just write here y is to x. So y is to x is 2 1, and x is to z is 2 4. Okay, y is to x is here 1 is to 2. Okay, sorry for that. Okay, so I just reversed it, y x as 1 2 and x is to z as 2 is to 4. So value of x we can write here, from value of y is 1, x as 2, and z as 4. Since value of x is same, so we can directly from here also write, or I just segregated y is to x is 1 is to 2, and x is to z is 2 is to 4. So value of x is 2, y is 1, and z is 4. So y is 1, x is 2, and z is 4. So by using this we can find the quantity 1 and quantity 2. So quantity 1 is, I think, hope you have understood this. Means from here only we can write value of x is 2 and y is 1 and x is 2 and z is 4. 1 we need to make it equal to directly equate. If not, by multiplying we can make it equal. So we have made equal, and value of x is we have equal, so y and z we have wrote here. So y is 1, x is 2, and z is 4. So now we will find quantity 1. Quantity 1 is 0.5 into z. So quantity 1 is 0.5 y into z. So quantity 1 is 0.5 y into z. So 0.5 as it is, y value of y is 1 into z is 4. So 0.5 into 4. So 0.5 into 4 will be 2. 0.5 into 2 will be 1. So into 4 times means it is 2. Or you can solve like this. 0.5 you can write as 5 by 10 into 4. So 5 ones are 5 2s are 2 into 2 4. Like that also you can solve, or 5 into 4 is 2. So quantity 1 is 2. Is 2. Next is quantity 2. 4y 2z into x square. So quantity 2 is 4y 2z into x square. So quantity is 4y 2z into x square. So 4 as it is, value of y is 1, 2 into z, z is 4, into x is 2, so 2 square. So 4 and 4 will cancel, 2 square is 4, 4 by 2 is 2. So quantity 2 is 2. So quantity 1 and quantity 2 both are equal. So our relation will be quantity 1 equal to quantity 2. So both are equal. So correct answer will be option E. So quantity 1 equal to quantity 2. So this is the answer. So this is the way to solve the guys. If you have any doubts, you can comment in chats. Thank you.